Hey guys, Stephen Fillers here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at Rugged Liner's drop-in bed liner, and with Rugged Liner we have Todd Lindblade. How you doing, Todd?
Doing well, Stephen. Good to see you.
Thanks for coming today.
Thanks for having me, man.
So Todd, in today's video, we want to cover a few major things for our audience at home. First of all, it's how the product's made, the type of warranty you offer, where it's made, the whole 9 yards there. And we'll talk about the installation and just how easy or difficult this is to do at home.
Sounds good.
So with that said, let's talk about the product itself. Give us the full story there.
So dollar for dollar, there's probably not a better value you can get to protect the investment that you've made in your truck than a drop-in bed liner. Very affordable, it's great protection, and very easy to install. It's a great way to protect your truck bed from the dents, dings, and scratches of everyday use and abuse. Like I said, dollar for dollar, there's no better value than what you can do to protect your truck bed. Every one of our covers is manufactured in Owasso, Michigan, so it's a US made product. We're very proud of that. We designed each and every one to fit each specific vehicle. We do not take a one-size-fits-all approach. They all come with a lifetime warranty, and typically they're very, very easy to install.
That's awesome. Now I do notice you've got some provisions in here, such as the little cutouts on the sides. What is the story there?
So we leave an indentation into the sidewalls of each of our bed liners, and that allows you to incorporate a 2x4 or a 2x8 to act as a divider. Keep things from sliding forward in your bed. We do have a skid resistant floor, but you know, if you hit the brakes too hard, you know where everything's going to end up. So we do allow you to insert those 2x4s to organize your truck bed and keep everything at the gate readily accessible.
That's awesome. Now you did say the installation was easy, so give us the full details on what the installation involves for the viewer at home.
So I'd say it's about a 2 out of 10. Maybe not the easiest because it's a little bit wider than most things that you're going to deal with on a day-to-day basis, but certainly something you can install by yourself. Probably helpful to have a friend handy to give you a hand, but typically you can complete installation under 10 or 15 minutes. In this case, it took us a little bit longer because we had to expose some areas for accessories that are built into this truck. This Sierra has a 110 outlet at the rear, and we've trimmed around that to expose access to that. And then we also trimmed around this grab step assist handle that they've incorporated into this truck as well to make use of their multi-pro tailgate system here.
Sure, a little bit more fancy.
Absolutely.
Now, for the guys at home, if we do have these sorts of cutouts, are there any guides that we have to cut out? What's the story there?
So on the 110 outlets and things like that, we definitely have an indentation or a scribe line on the back side of the liner that you can follow to expose those. We did make a template around this grab assist handle to follow, but typically for the nice square features like this, we will have a scribe line for you to follow to cut them out.
That's awesome, making it easier.
Absolutely.
That's good. So for the viewers at home, you said this was super easy, about a 2 of 10, maybe 10 to 15 minutes to make this happen. So I would definitely say you can do this on your own without any issues, but it's always good to have a friend on hand. Makes it more fun, more quick, but also just makes the process a little bit easier. But if you do have any hesitations, problems, or just questions doing this on your own, as always, use the description below the video. We'll have a dealer locator there so you can find a dealer in your area who's more than happy to make this install happen for you. All right, so that's a wrap on Rugged Liner's rear wheel liners. Before we go though, Todd, thank you for coming in today.
Absolutely, thanks for having me, Steve.
It's been a great pleasure. Now guys at home, if you have any questions or comments about the product, leave those in the comments below. We're happy to address this for you there. If you just want more details, check below the video in the description. We'll have a part number, but also again, that dealer locator, so you can find this product in a dealer in your area, but also have it installed. If you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.